Sierra at Serenia Hills. Smart homes for families with minimalist modern exteriors and clean lines. The interiors offer dynamic spaces that adapt to residents' needs. With large windows for plenty of natural light, the extra room can become a children's playroom, an office, or evolve into whatever space is needed. An open kitchen with an alcove and a living room with window seats that offer storage space. The 3-meter-high ceilings and wide layouts offer space for multiple generations to grow and thrive. Designed with roof overhang to protect from rain and provide shade, cross ventilation to keep spaces cool, and a back garden to stay connected to nature. Spacious and clean design for growing families at Sierra.